Norris now in with a 42.2. 42.2 for Larry Norris. Moving up to third in Super Street, but not enough to touch the low 40s and the high 39s of Jeff Prince and Steve Tillman. Presmek Jaglowski now firmly saying fifth for see if he's got what it takes to move up. 43.9, so he slows down. No improvement for him. He'll finish no higher than sixth with. Actually, I believe that is the bottom of the class because this other driver did not start. All right, Neil Bellamy now into the 40.7. 40.7 for Neil Bellamy, slotting him in just behind Kalyan Vaca. He's not enough to move up. And Anton Makarenko in that BMW M5 moving into first place in Novice. Anton Makarenko 41.3. Let's see if he's able to hold on to it as we go into fourth.